Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming you have advertiser access and the correct ID. Once done, export the last 30 days of CPM data so you can isolate short bumper ad entries. Next, filter that export for creative length or name tags that match bumper spots. Make sure to note the insertion orders and placements linked to high bumper CPM and flag any line items that automatically target 6-second creatives. This is your immediate action to begin removal. Once the offending line items are identified, pause them or reassign creatives to non-bumper line items so delivery stops immediately while you work. Then adjust bidding. Switch auto bid rules that favor bumper CPM to manual CPM or target CPA to regain control of price signals. You should also tighten targeting and add placement exclusions and frequency caps. These reduce low-quality impressions that drive up measured bumper CPM and help you redistribute spend toward preferred inventories. Now run a verification test for 24 to 72 hours with the updated settings so you can observe real-world impact and catch regressions quickly. Compare pre- and post metrics, CPM, viewability, and conversions to confirm the bumper CPM drop and no unintended harm to performance. Finally, document the rule changes and set automated alerts for CPM spikes so you're notified if bumper-style costs reemerge. If problems persist, contact your platform rep with exported logs for faster troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.